Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to my Filipino cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a delicious rabbit recipe, a Filipino rabbit curry which is known as rabbit caldereta. Guys, rabbit is a very healthy meat to eat and I have plenty of rabbit recipes. Just check out my playlist. Thank you. Here are the ingredients for my rabbit recipe, rabbit caldereta. Rabbit, carrot, potato, garlic, onion, chili pepper, water, pineapple, tomato, coconut milk, salt, ground black pepper, and cooking oil. Now let's start cooking. My rabbit caldereta is now ready to serve and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this rabbit recipe, rabbit caldereta guys. And if you like it, then like it. And if you love it, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Paalam!